There we are.
I'm trying to get ew, Spider-Man. I'm trying to get a stick from out of the bed. Spider-Man.
Okay. People think this is weird, Amelia.
That's what YouTube is for.
To put weird people. This won't get any hits, Amelia. Trust me, it won't get any hits.
I'm stuck.
This won't get any hits, Amelia. I'm gonna throw this away now.
Shut up.
What?
Shut up.
I love you. I love you dearly to my soul. I love you dearly to my soul. I love you dearly to my soul.
Now that's gonna get 0 hits.
Go world! Woo! Go world! Now this is. She got it! Hurrah!
They won't see you doing that because all you're doing is.
No, I'm just gonna.